Hi, today I will tell how to work in Runway. I show images which I did. For example, this image which I did in first in Midjourney, and then I worked in Runway and I made this image movable, like mini video. Look, and for example, next image. Later, I will show how to make image like this. Okay, and now I opened Runway. Uh, we have a beta version, which is for free. You can create account and then you can generate video. First, you can make a image on you. Okay, start with this image. You have a image in Midjourney. First, you have upload a file. Okay, I have my image. This is texture. I will make some general motions. For example, I make some not so very strong three motions, then rest upscale and remove watermark is upgrade. I have to upgrade. I have now free version. A camera motion. First, try to do without camera motion and without motion brush. Just we see what we get if we don't have changed a lot of settings. Takes a time, several seconds, 4 seconds, maybe more. You can see how long you have to wait. So I got a motion. Wow, looks nice. Yeah, I think I will save this. Looks nice, beautiful. Now I uploaded another video with a lot of bonbons. Okay, and now I will change to 4 general motion. Then I will change camera motion, horizontal, pan, roll. Oh, yes. Zoom. I will change everything and vertical. Will be a lot of moving. And I'll do generate. I have to wait a little bit. Let's see what happened. Oh, I see there's the candy, whole candy is very movable. That's and a little bit blurry. Looks nice. And now I do something different. I will show you. Now I'll take motion. I will take motion brush. Okay. Let's see what should I want just a crown. I'm going to move this crown. Small things. And this part going to move. This nice cakes. This part. So I will show how we can move not everything, but only what we drawing. So okay, how we can move? We can move to on horizontal, vertical, on set, and a little bit ambient to do. Save and start generation. Let's see what happened. Oh, you see, this is we have a moving. So, yeah, some part is looks like destroyed during the moving, but I will save this video. I can just download and to my. Let's see something different. Now I took another my image which I made in Midjourney, and I will make motion here. Put 3 or no 2, and motion blur will make, and for example we'll make effect like he is around some liquid, some cream, and around sprouts and roses, and we will show how this image will moving. So I'll take an X, little bit ambient, and Z, save. Let's do this generation. And now what happened? Looks, yeah, little too much blurry. I suppose it's only water going to move, but I see it's very is movable. Yeah, everything is movable, but roses not. It looks nice. Looks beautiful. I will do. Okay, I will put 5 star. Looks beautiful. And now we can also write text. For example, would you write this Valentine's Day? Very soon is Valentine's Day, so we'll write the text and create maybe style. No, I will not write. Okay, I can write the style, anime, and yeah, what kind of styles? I have another style. Okay, leave anime and generate again. Image is the same. Image description is the same. Only I have now text. And generate. Oh, okay. What I got? I got image with which is anime style, like a romantic Valentine's Day. Oh, it's like a prompt. You write like a prompt. For example, if you write chocolate fabric of candy fabric, then you will get candy fabric. And next image also Valentine's Day in anime style. Yeah, interesting. First image is just normal without text. This is just Valentine's Day without any style. Yeah. And if I write candy fabric, what I got if I write candy factory produced art. So nice video. Yeah.